The education in the real estate investing world is increasing day by day, and I do not want you to be left out. Hi guys, my name is Wale Lawal. I am a real estate agent and a new construction expert and also a real estate investor here in the Houston, Texas area. Today, I want to walk you through how you can buy your own first or next investment property, and the focus will be on rental property on this one. Now, I've been asked many times, I've spoken with a lot of people, and I see their struggle and I see what they were missing. So that really compelled me to make this video, and I do hope you find value in this. If you're meeting me for the first time, I drop a lot of information on this channel, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell, and share this video with anybody that you think can benefit from this. Let's do it. Now, like I said, this is how to buy your rental property in 30 days or 60 days, depending on how you want to space yourself. But it is absolutely possible to do these steps within 60 days. Now, number one, you do need to know why. What is your why? Why are you doing this? Why do you want to invest in real estate? Is it because you want to leave a legacy for your children? Is it because you want to give your children the life that you don't have? Is it because you're tired of your job and you need an escape route? Is it because you are just tired of the stock market, cryptocurrency, and you do want to put your money in an asset that has edges against inflation? So you need to answer these questions. Why do you want to invest in real estate? Because if things get tougher, if you always remember your why, this is what is going to keep you going. So understand your why. Why do you want to invest in real estate? And that is the foundation. Trust me, if you can understand that and you keep reminding yourself that, you will definitely make a lot of progress. So that's number one. Number two, the plan. You have to plan. Like we all know, failure to plan is planning to fail. How will you acquire the property? You're planning. What kind of property are you going to be going after? What is going to be the neighborhood? What is the price point? All these things you do have to plan and make sure your plan is realistic. Now, number three, you need to define your buying criteria. This is extremely important because as an investor myself that work with a lot of new investors, I see it all the time that new investors just don't know what they are looking for. So when they even find it, they don't know this is what I've been looking for because they never define their criteria. And trust me, 1 year down the line, they are yet to do anything because they never define what exactly they are looking for. So what do I mean by defining your criteria? I mean that you need to know what kind of property. Is it going to be a single family home or a multi-family? Even if it's a multi-family, is it going to be duplex, triplex, fourplex, or you're looking for something larger like 10 units and above? That's very important. Where are you going to be buying it? Is it going to be in your state? Is it going to be in your county? Is it going to be at your backyard? Or is it going to be out of state? You need to define this. Now, when you know that, how much can you afford? What is the price point? Are you buying a property below $500,000, or you want to stay within $1 million, or you're willing to go up to $5 million? And the easier way to know what you can afford is how much of a down payment do you have? Typically, when you're buying an investment property, the lenders will need you to put down 25%. In some cases, you can do 20%. In some cases, you can do 15%. But no any investment property that will allow you to put less than 15%, except you want to go through the bridge loan, hard money, and all those other creative ways. But conventional, you cannot do less than 15%. So if you know that, okay, I need minimum of 15% and I need additional 3% for closing costs. So minimum, you should have 18% of the purchase price of the house you're looking to buy. If you do not have that, then you need to start reducing your price until you get to where you are comfortable with. So that is extremely important. And that takes me to the next step, which is my step number 4, is funding. What kind of funding do you want to use? Are you going to be using a conventional funding? Are you going to be using a hard money funding? Are you going to be using your own cash? Are you going to be talking to people in your sphere, to raise private money? Or are you going to be going after, just think about how you're going to be doing this. Or are you going to even be partnering with the seller to buy the property so you don't even have to go to the bank? So you do need to know what is the source of your funding. It's extremely important, and it will reduce your stress. So that is my number 4. All right, guys, so if you're finding value in this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell so I can let you know anytime I have a new video. And of course, comment below. Let me know what part of this you're liking. Let me know what you think I'm missing out, or let me know what you want to hear in the future, and I will try my best to make such video. All right, number 5, finding the property. Of course, after you've prepared, you plan, you strategize, you know how you're going to fund it, and you always remember yourself, your why. Why are you doing this? The next thing is you do have to find that property, which is my number 5, finding the property. There's a lot of ways for you to find the property. You can work with a rockstar agent. You can set up a search alert for yourself on Zillow, har.com, realtor.com, apartment.com, all these other websites where you can find your potential property you want to buy, which is why it's important to define what you're looking for. So once you do that, then you start getting the properties. The one I always recommend is to work with a rockstar agent or something I call on fire agents. These are agents that are also investors themselves, like myself. So I understand the lingo, I understand how to help you, I understand how to dig into your goals and actually walk you through the process. Because when you work with someone like me, I just pretty much give you a free mentorship because I'm doing this for myself. So it's extremely easy for me to just do it for you or guide you through the process. So look for an on fire agent that are also investors, and let them find you the property, and you're gonna start getting the property, and you can go to the step 6, which is now analyze the property. Now you do not need to analyze every single property you find online or that your realtor is sending to you. Only pick those top 3 that you like and analyze them. There's several ways to analyze property as well. I do have an Excel spreadsheet. If you want to get it, just comment below Excel spreadsheet, or just comment rental Excel spreadsheet, and I'll send it to you. So that's what I want to tell you. You do need to analyze a property, because if you don't analyze it, how do you know this is something you should pursue? How do you know this even makes sense? So you do need to know how to analyze property, and again, it's not really complicated at all. And that takes me to my number 7. Now, you do need to make offer. After you analyze the property, you bounce it off your realtor. You need to make offer. If you're not working with a realtor, you can find a way to get over the seller, but this is extremely difficult in my experience. You do need to work with a realtor if you want to make your life easier. So you make offer. Your agent or your realtor will advise you on how to structure your offer. How much should you offer? What is going to be acceptable? What is not acceptable? What is a lowball offer? What is an insult to the seller? They're going to tell you all this, and both of you are going to put head together and submit your offer. Now, if your offer gets accepted, congratulations, process actually just begin. So that is my number 7, make offer. Don't be afraid to make offer. And when you make offer, it doesn't mean you have to buy the property. It just means that you're dipping your toes into the water to see how is it going to go. So if it doesn't work well, maybe you did inspection, there's a bunch of issue with the house, or you did appraisal, it does not appraise, you can always back out on the contract. This is a mistake I've seen new investors making. They think that if you make an offer, you do have to buy the house. No. You do not have to if it doesn't work out for you. All right, the last one on my list is number 8, mindset and consistency. You need a good mindset for you to actually stay long in this game. And this is why the number 1 is extremely important. If you don't know your why you're doing this, any little things will kind of just piss you off or discourage you, and you're going to quit. So real estate investing is very simple, but it is not easy. There is some things you have to do. There are process, there are steps, there are things you need to implement, and you need a good mindset, because if your mindset is not strong, you will not be able to withstand the bad day, the good days. You're going to get punched in the mouth. You're going to make a little bit of some mistakes, and that's why if you want to reduce your mistake, you need to get hold of someone like me that is actually doing this, that can guide you through the process so you can reduce your learning curve and reduce the amount of mistakes you're going to make. So mindset and being consistent is my last one. You need to know that things will get tough, but when it gets tough, always remember your number 1. Why are you doing this? And that will keep you going. I hope this really helped you. Again, if you want to get that Excel spreadsheet to analyze rental property, comment rental property analysis below, and I will give you the Excel spreadsheet. I hope you find value in this video. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with anybody that you think will benefit. Also, click on the notification bell so I can let you know the next time I have a new video. Now, I work with a lot of investors. If you think you find value in this and you see me as somebody that can help you, I would like to chat with you. My phone number is here. You can always reach out to me, and I would love to talk to you. Thank you. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.